Hello everybody, today we will be making some really interesting paper art projects. So for this one, we'll start off by taking some dual toned construction paper. With that, you can go ahead and fold it exactly as shown in this video, and it's better if it's dual toned to give the art project some extra dimension. But if it is a singular sheet of paper with a solid color, there's no issues with that. Of course, it will still look great as long as the folds are made neat and clean. Now, look at how wonderfully this turns out. At the end, you will have to trim off the edges to make it look conclusive, and then you can go ahead and mimic that with more. Then you can go ahead and open it up and look at how interesting and wonderful that looks. Look at how beautifully the trim has turned out to be. Look at how wonderful that is. Now go ahead and attach it all together with a stem and look at how cool that looks. What a beautiful three-dimensional working umbrella. Let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, we're going to be taking some two-colored, dual-toned paper. With that, you can go ahead and compromise and sort of colors whatever you want them to be. They can be in whatever colors you want them to be, or they can even be a singular solid color. With that, go ahead and fold it exactly as shown in this video, and you can go ahead and create the dimension that you want. Go ahead and make sure that all the folds are neat and clean and precise in order to make it look the most efficient and the most clean. With that, you can go ahead and continue folding it and add another layer. With the other layer, you can go ahead and fold that in as well, and look at how wonderful this will turn out. With the other layer, you can go ahead and push that in and add another third layer. With that, you have your very own ingenious spinning paper origami top. Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, you will go ahead and take in some paper and make some ridges along the area. Then you can go ahead and do the same on the cross section of that, so that you've got diagonally intersected folds, and then you can go ahead and create the shape of a diamond. With that, you will notice that the middle has a straight line and it's also got a squared box. You can go ahead and follow the folds exactly as shown in this video to create an interesting overlapping situation. With that, go ahead and open them up to twist them into little triangles at the very edge. Go ahead and fold that all in on each side, on either side. Now you can go ahead and fold in the paper exactly as shown in this video, and if it's a little bit complex, do not worry, the end result is totally worth it. It is more than just your basic ordinary origami, because it is going to look so interesting and amazing and mind-blowing. You're going to be the only one who's got something so cool when everybody else is making paper boats. With that, you can go ahead and twist it out and look at how wonderfully this origami rose turns out to be. Look at how wonderful that is, and you can go ahead and embellish that with however you like. With that, you can go ahead and start the new origami project. With this new project, you can go ahead and create a pink piece of paper, fold it in exactly like shown, overlap it, turn it around to make a triangular sort of shape, and then you can go ahead and create a square. With that, you can go ahead and connect multiples of these after you've made multiples, and then you can go ahead and intersect them all, and it will be like a never-ending loop. Look at how wonderful and ingenious this origami is. Very own collapsible paper pyramid. Thank you so much for watching.